If you use a power wheelchair like myself, you are probably annoyed by the sound that it makes every time you turn it on or adjust it by pressing the buttons, and it's just so loud and really annoying. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a tip on how to reduce the sound and make it quiet. So this is just a quick tip to quiet the noise. And what I did is I put a piece of electrical tape right here. There was a hole right here, but there's this electrical tape that I put on here and basically covered up the hole, and it muffles the sound. So now whenever I turn my wheelchair on, you can barely hear it, and this is really nice, especially if you're in a quiet place, because I know I used to turn my wheelchair on and then everybody would look at you. So this can help out with that. So I'm going to turn it on right here. I'm not sure if you will be able to hear it or not, but let's try it. So just put a piece of electrical tape over the hole where the sound is coming out, and it should make it a lot quieter. Back whenever I was getting annoyed by the sound of the wheelchair and all the buttons and stuff, I remember I couldn't find exactly where the sound was coming from, but I did see a video from another YouTuber, and there will be a link down in the description below, so be sure to go check out his channel. And his channel is called Totally Normal. So hopefully this quick tip will help you out, and be sure to let me know how you reduce the noise on your wheelchair or just any other wheelchair tip down in the comments below.